Are you feeling stiff, tired, or in need of a gentle recharge? Whether you're coming off a long sleep, a workout, or just need a reset, these stretches will target your entire body, releasing tension, building flexibility, and leaving you ready to take on whatever comes your way. Welcome to your 5-minute full body stretch session, where we'll awaken your energy and set you up for a balanced, powerful day. All you need is a mat or soft surface. You can do this in your living room, bedroom, or even outside in the morning light. Most people hit snooze and skip moments like this, but you've shown up, and that's something to celebrate. I promise you, by the end of this routine, you'll feel stretched, aligned, and grounded. Let's hit the mat. Let's start with a calming yet energizing stretch for the hamstrings and spine. Standing forward fold. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, hinge at your hips, folding forward. Allow your arms to hang heavy or gently grab your elbows. If your hamstrings feel tight, keep a soft bend in your knees. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch lengthens the hamstrings, decompresses the spine, and improves blood flow to the brain. I promise you'll feel more relaxed and alert by the end of this pose. Beginners can bend their knees for added comfort. Advanced movers can place their palms flat on the mat or deepen the fold by gently pulling on their calves. Slowly roll up to standing and get ready to loosen up the hips and core with full hula hoops. Now let's bring some playful energy to the routine with full hula hoops, mobilizing the hips and awakening the core. Kneel or stand with feet slightly wider than hip width apart, hands resting on your hips. Begin circling your hips in a full range motion, as if drawing a big circle with your pelvis. After 30 seconds, switch directions. Keep the movement smooth and fluid. This stretch loosens tight hips, improves lower back flexibility, and activates your core. By the end, you'll feel lighter and more connected to your body. Beginners can keep the motion smaller if it feels awkward. Advanced movers can exaggerate the range of motion for a deeper stretch. Pause and step into a low lunge position to prepare for low lunge twists. Let's open up the hips and spine with the dynamic twist and low lunge. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your left knee on the mat. Place your left hand on the floor, and as you inhale, twist your torso, lifting your right arm toward the sky. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides, repeating the same movement on the left. This stretch targets the hip flexors, strengthens the legs, and releases tension in the lower back. By the end of this, your hips will feel free and your posture will feel more upright. Beginners can keep their arm lower, resting it on their knee instead of reaching upward. Advanced participants can deepen the stretch by sinking their hips lower into the lunge. Gently return to kneeling and prepare for a heart opening movement with kneeling chest opener. Let's counteract any slouching or tension in the chest with this powerful heart opener. From a kneeling position, interlace your fingers behind your back. As you inhale, lift your chest and press your hands downward, opening through the shoulders. Gaze slightly upward if comfortable. Hold this position for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch reverses the effects of sitting, slouching, and stress, while also improving shoulder mobility. I promise you'll feel taller and more confident after this. If interlacing your fingers is difficult, use a towel or strap to hold behind your back. Advanced participants can sink their hips slightly forward to intensify the stretch. Gently release your hands and come into seated position for a final stretch, the butterfly stretch. Let's finish with a soothing stretch for the inner thighs and hips, butterfly stretch. Sit on the mat with the soles of your feet together, allowing your knees to fall open. Hold your feet with your hands and sit tall. If it feels good, gently press your knees closer to the floor or fold forward slightly. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch releases tension in the hips, groin, and lower back, leaving you grounded and calm. I promise, by the end, you'll feel like a weight has been lifted from your body. Beginners can sit on a cushion to elevate the hips. Advanced movers can fold forward more deeply for an intense stretch. Slowly release and sit tall, taking a deep inhale to close the session. Phenomenal work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've awakened your energy, opened your hips, and stretched your entire body from head to toe. Showing up is half the battle, and you've really won by being here today. There's a special gift waiting for you in the description to help you level up your journey. Go check it out and don't miss out. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.